Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today we are going to draw a happy and super cute apple together. Let's get started. First, I will draw the body of the apple, making it nice and round with careful strokes so the shape looks really pretty. After that, I will add a small stem and a little leaf on top of the apple. With the stem and leaf, the apple will look fresh and full of life, right? Next, to make the apple even more lively and adorable, I will draw a cute face right on its body. Now the sketch is almost done. Let's go over the lines to make them neat and sharp so the drawing looks clear and beautiful. And now comes my favorite part, coloring time. Red. I wonder what color this apple will be. Usually, apples are red, but today we will try something creative to make it extra special. I'm going to color the body of the apple with bright rainbow shades. Red, orange, yellow, and green will blend together, making our apple look so colorful and unique. Make sure to color carefully so the colors don't go outside the lines.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho
Orange.
the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow, hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Yellow.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the
Once the body is done, I will use green to color the stem and the leaf. Green. It looks so fresh and goes perfectly with the apple. Pink. Finally, let's add color to the cute little face so it really stands out and feels full of life. Do you think this apple looks adorable? Red. I totally love it. It's so much fun to draw something so colorful and full of energy like this. Thank you so much for drawing this picture with me today. I hope you had fun. See you in the next video.